Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Neher Sinam and ngasi sigi video sida yamna important over topic I'm discuss tawse and discuss tawde topic se all over the world confusion laina ba topic oidone so sigi video sida doubts loina clear tawse and hi ba topic se kaino cosmetic surgery se karan tagodam no cosmetic surgeon hai se karan no plastic surgeon hai ba manabra hai ba se si discuss tawse and kari gi important oige aphaba cosmetic surgeon ama choose tawse so First of all, cosmetic surgeon have a yam vague over term ni cosmetic surgery have a course like cosmetic surgery have a medical program like any doctor amana cosmetic surgery aesthetic surgery sambu lothopo egera mitup sembo egera any type of beauty enhanced tonaba operation ama tawdi adu cosmetic surgery perform the water so adu doctor do cosmetic surgeon ne na yamna vague oina sum haina be wane aizu plastic surgeon amoina aina cosmetic surgery khat tawrina aizu cosmetic surgeon ne na haiza buzi yawi so cosmetic surgeon have amana ursia but plastic surgeon haibazina separate group ne separate category amane for example heart surgeons brain gi surgeons neurosurgeons adumaina angang gi surgeon pediatric surgeon adumaina makhan khaidok padumaina sigi plastic surgeon haizina proper official term amane so cosmetic surgery se kanada tagodabno doctors mayam ama choose tawbi adubo one by one matang hairage khwaidagi best oigadabdo first of all first option is na plastic surgeon so plastic surgeon so anyone na operation tawre hena adugi doctor do plastic surgeon oire habidi yaroi adugi doctor do cosmetic surgeon ne na haina badi yai but cosmetic surgeon oibo khodima plastic surgeon natte so plastic surgeon haibazidi MBBS loiraga general surgery tamaga 3 years tamaga another 3 years plastic surgery course tawraga finally 12 years mu tambal loirakanda fazana training taw loirakanda MBBS yaroga 12 years mu tambal loirakanda sigi plastic surgeon gi degree je phangdoine and plastic surgeon oire haidoine so Hosiki general surgery 3 years and plastic surgery 3 years mohta direct 6 years plastic surgery ki course lay yawi India da so sumaina tamaga plastic surgeon oiduni so plastic surgery tambakanda cosmetic surgery direct tambanate eyelid surgery tawba naton semba si semba adumaina adu operation karana si tamulao haina saina takpi bunante matang step by step arrive operation khartoroni hana general surgery da puk operation myam tami operation tawbagi steps hairi operation tawba sohen daba photpa thon daba adu matang steps sigumba basic myam je types of operation many operations thousands of operations da yaumina ga yaura ga assist tawra ga isana zu myam tawzara kanda sigi matang harak pani so sigi experience myam se lera kanda akoina birth defects ki zu operation tawi burns ki zu tawi khut sokpoi zu tawi artery nerves ki zu tawi makhan myam tawi breast ki zu tawi so si myam je tawra ga akoina cosmetic surgery je akupa thabak sida last ta changsal lakpani cosmetic surgery is plastic surgery ki part achawa ama oidoine so first option is cosmetic surgery to ge hedi plastic surgeon da chatpiu and plastic surgeons mayamam lay fajana thigalagadi manipur su plastic surgeons mayamam lay and cosmetic surgeons loinamak tawni next option facial plastic surgeons haiba amuzle facial plastic surgeons have a proper degree amgi mamingu manate but face ki plastic surgery tawyarba missing haidoine so ENT doctors ENT haibadi ear nose throat ki doctors akoi ki MBBS loga ENT doctors haina hainai auto rhinolaryngologist haina adu moina swagi structures ki swagi operation tawdana khotana swagi knowledge loin leramnina plastic surgery moina further training tawraga facial plastic surgeon oirakpi another group oral maxillofacial surgeons dentistry ki masters degree amane sizu swagi operation ki kata wagi knowledge and skills loin laire so sigi category ki doctors nazu amuk facial plastic surgeon oibagi further training tawraga makha chathabi yare so face ki plastic surgery tawbi yare haidi cosmetic or reconstructive surgeries limited to the face si tawbi yare masagi haiba ahambagi plastic surgery ki group to now all over the body ki any cosmetic surgery tawbi yare masagi expertise to ki matung na and facial plastic surgeons haizina face ki tawduni third group na oculoplastic surgeons haizina in and around the eye ki plastic surgery cosmetic oigira reconstructive oigira sisina ophthalmologist haiba eye doctors se surgeons ne after MBBS 3 years master's degree tawga eye doctor oibne eye doctor dazu atopa diseases ki makhan moi retina yengbagi atete yengbagi adugumba matang moi gi specialty yam lay but group kharana oculoplastic surgeon oige haraga adugi romda changjalak pa yai fourth group china sometimes dermatology ki doctor loinamak nataba kharana surgical training khar tawraga surgical procedures khara achauba akhoi mastectomy gumba akhoi breast augmentation gumba tummy tuck gumba achau operation na tab rhinoplasty gumba na tabida khar basic surgeries khar perform tawar dum lainei and sizu moizu well trained doctors ni tabu surgical background di lapunate but sigi basic surgeries khar gi adugi training tawraga dermatologist na zu cosmetic procedures cosmetic operations khar tabu zu dum lainei. Fifth categories in general surgeons. General surgeons have say akhoi tasing na di operation loin namak haibani operation everything yengba but hoji heart ki surgeon tongan leire kidney ki leire plastic surgeon leire onco surgeon leire so makan leire pasida general surgery ki areas amba akhoi abdomen ki appendix gallbladder intestine liver and akhoi stomach sigumba manungda thokpa conditions pyam hernia gumba hydrocele gumba sigumada oina focus taunare general surgeons say but surgical background surgical training leiramnina phajana well qualified doctors oibnina kaiguma matamda mafam kharada cosmetic training for general surgery ki program adum leinei aduda chatlaga cosmetic surgeries khara plastic surgeon dumaina loinamak natragazu cosmetic surgery khar tamthoaga khar tauna busu lei and adusu well trained doctor ni proper surgeon ni aduna adum general surgeons with specialized cosmetic surgery training chatluba doctor oirgadi adum safe oigani adum tawba yai hena khali. Now aina haiba group of doctors say sumaina best choice pudi plastic surgeons oidini atopa sigi choices mayam jisu well qualified ngaktani and good options ne because fazana knowledge and skills yorobo oidini so sigi group sida kaigi tawgadabano haibase sigi so explanation macam pige 1 minute ki so eyelid surgery torga eyelid ki surgery gi example pige manipur da eyelid surgery jam commonly tawna eyelid surgery is atopa pham da tawraga outside the state or inside the state atopa pham da tawraga semdok kena lakpa phanyamam thengnei semdok ki lakpa jida hojiki haiba group of doctors well trained doctors sing da tawruba plastic surgeons tawruba ai isanamak na tawbuda semdok ningba siguma cases sina semdok pada yam ludaba size kitang khetnaba yet oi kitang khetnaba pikman bai kitang chahonba chawon bai kitang pikhanba sigumba adra apomba ma tholakpa swaina small revisions small corrections ki batang da oigali but well qualified doctors da natabel da semak pa papan lam da oigira manung da oigina sisina semdok pada nungai taba semdok pada yam luba semdok pada pharak taba natural way da same gidaba manungda mafam chada na pholamba yam chauna ka khibagi eyebrow ga nakmanda na semdok ni ngai skin lim hodaba semdok pada pharak tagadaba conditions hek oiba yawi so asi je semdok agazu yam luna semdok so semdok pakanda hana torbai pesa ung tingi semdok pai pesa ung tingi so pesa ju last double da tingi and semdok pakanda ju yam phajana semdok pazu ngamgadra haibado thajaba wali and phanyam honaraga phajana semdok pi ngambazu yawi but sometimes semdok pada kitang di yamna first time sema mi gi type ta yam phajana sembe mi gi type ta manaba ngamdaba plus semdok pagi wana tabida mi kudema ki mitse manade so semba nungai ba mi mit yam lei semba kanda kitang hek normal way da semba da pangta taba mit yam lei and semba da luba space yam pikpa skin yam tight oiba yam kuba and eyebrow wang makot pa manadaba muscle power manadaba sigumba complex oiba yamna deep understanding akhoi plastic surgery ki akhoi muscles ki mechanism sigumba mayam understand tawraga tawdaba conditions yam lei any for example doctor na tawa mi yamna len batamaga phot batamaga hekta semba yaba nate eyelid surgery je adudi maybe tararak tawda mangara phajabi mangara ti problem thokani so si yam akupa thabak ne si understand tawa ma changi and wasu wagani semdok pa yaragazu pesa tingaga semba yaragazu punchi chupna problem ama laiki bi ai so adugi problem se tohoning da bagi aina sigi videos se sembani mayam da si information je spread tawna ba last but not the least confusion amaga leina biawi cosmetologists and dermatologists have the same or different so cosmetologists is a group of people doctor oibi doctor oidabi moina cosmetology gi training khar tawraga sisna non medical akhoi gi separate type of training oidini is the facials tawba atopa skin hair nails ki beautification tawgi kai no tamba adu oidini cosmetology se so cosmetologist haibasina skin doctor oibanate skin gi matang na khangam bi ai phanaba kai no knowledge le ngani but cosmetologist haiba dermatologist se khenai skin gi asengba doctors na dermatologist kawi and dermatologist na cosmetology ki everything line tawbayani so kaigumba sum khara phajathokningbai di cosmetologist chalasu yai, but skin gi tasengna real problems tananing bo agri cosmetologist dermatologist yengadamni. And akoi gi fillers, botox, and ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯖꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯖꯔꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯦꯖꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯞ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯔꯖꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯗꯔꯃꯥꯇꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯁꯇ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯔ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ medical professionals da si tawbase kitang risky oigani na khale maybe sometimes kasuk tawdaba problem thokdaba mi myam zu leini but mi khudimaki ayamba most of majority gi problem leitabida any tabak se oithohan se had the well trained certified doctor da tawbana phai phanyam plastic surgeon orzu phanyam atopa doctor cosmetic surgeon ahe heba training tawba orzu complications asoi akai khar manadaba khasoiba adum thokani aina eyelid surgery tawba hairena khanjaragazu adum kitang manadaba kitang soiba mina hek pambado thoktaba marak marak ta yawi yambrerina aina 400 times u sembada mi nipan mapan gi hallaga semdokpa yawgre so sise yam low numbers ni khale but yawdabdi nate but anyone haying doctor nataba mi ama or doctor MBBS doctor rega hekta mit semba tamaga hekta tawsallaga di kari problem lakpa yai huziki atop knowledge to adudi pura complete oina leitabani na maybe magi complication rates hengani and complication tawbudu hena severe over complications semdokpada nuaitaba semdokpada luba lifelong problem oiba yaba complications lakani so cosmetic procedure has a eyelid khatang nate eyelid nataba eyelid te hena amna acho operations me amam lay rhinoplasty lay and khogi facelift lay brow lift lay mastectomy or breast surgeries breast reduction ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ liposuction tummy tuck ꯃꯈꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯤ and as a plastic surgeon still ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯗ ꯂꯨꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯨꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ but cosmetic surgery sisina skill yam change concentration yam change passion nama change and sisu mongam dalui so araiba thabakti natte atopa plastic surgery na luraga eyelid semba no semba sin araiba thabak ne almaina khande sisina different way da yam aruba thabak ne na khalle akoina plastic surgeons ki conference gumba chapa meeting gumba chatpa akogi foreign gi oigera international oigera akoina national gi oigera plastic surgeons ma am tin ba mafam da zu cosmetic surgeries ki topic discuss tawba kanda yamna difficult aruba thabak ne haina mayamna khanai mayamna unai because yamna close to perfection way da tawnaba hodnarak paine duye na khalize natural results pinaba and migi natural beauty laser adu enhance tawnaba hoigi Instagram daga Facebook daga China da kaida to ina khongde pangkak kakpa side daga kai pangching chingkhali mai ga facelift to ina yam kana ga jingkhali adumain tawdam nate any plastic surgery hakchang so on the be the natural man mong da mina khang da mong da tawdam ni and akhoi gi moina pangka ka idudi nerve so on gani skin pangdaram gani sai daga hek panglen lem sai pangdaram doini sai daga panglen lem ba akhoi gi facial nerve habi gi branch so on gani muscle paralysis thokpi ai adagi fillers pangap kapa adagi sigumba hidak ka je pangap kapa je liquid rhinoplasty ka je doctor na taba mi amuna pangtaw ka tawragadi akhoi structures khangdana akhoi blindness to be akhoi sai skin dead or pi skin sirak pi even akhoi local anesthesia ka pi ju dose khangadamni chang khangadamni kaida kamain kap kani si ju munna khangaga tawgadamni so any operation tawbase yam safe oina yam laina tawthokwa ngamnari se mayamna fazana well qualified afaba amaina khallaga tawbaine so si matang da yamna wisely choose to view and safe oiba mafam choose to view and risky oiba mong da toksan bigano thanks a lot for watching this video si matang da anything chumthok ningba aina ngang isida or hangning ba comments meaning ba layadi comment section da thambiro mathang video da thank you and ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯀꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯃꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯅ ꯁꯝꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯇ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯂꯤꯞ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯂꯣꯋꯔ ꯑꯥꯏꯂꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯇ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯕꯤꯀꯣꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯝꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯋꯥꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯨ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯋꯟ